Welcome to Cooking in the Cabin. We're going to make an easy pancake recipe with my son today. We're going to start out with using 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 cups of flour. We're going to have him stir that all together. Next, we're going to crack 2 eggs, and we want those eggs to be at room temperature. Then we're going to beat them up together. And pour them into a big bowl. Then we're going to add 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then he's going to go ahead and stir all that up as well. Then we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of flour, little by little. You don't want to stir it too much. You want to make sure you leave the lumps in it. That's going to make your pancake a little more fluffy. Then we're going to grease the skillet. I'm just using butter today. I always try to cook my pancakes on like medium-low heat. That way they don't burn. If you have them too high, they will burn. And then you're just going to put a couple scoops of batter onto your skillet. I know, don't laugh at my scoop now. And then you want to wait and make sure your pancake starts to bubble before you flip it. You'll see little tiny dimples or bubbles in the pancake. Then you need to flip your pancake over. You want it to be a nice golden brown, and then cook it a couple more minutes on the other side. Stack your pancakes all up on a plate, top it with butter or syrup or toppings of your choice, and you're all finished. You have some beautiful homemade pancakes that are super simple to make. Thank you for joining me and my son today with Cooking in the Cabin.